This is part 2 of AP tutorial to find the nth term of an AP. So here a series is given 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16. We have to find the 10th term. So we can find this as T10 equal to 1 plus 10 minus 1 into 3 equal to 28. But here we have used the formula, that is, let me change the color. T of n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term, that is 1, and 10, n is equal to 10, and d is the common difference, that is 3, which is given by 4 minus 1 equal to 3. I have already told about this formula in part 1 of this video tutorial. If you haven't seen that part, check the description, the link to that video is there. We have here used the formula, but we can think of this as to reach from first term to the 10th term, we can add with the first term, that is 1, 9 times the common difference d, which will give us 28. Here d is equal to 3. Though it is basically doing the same thing as this one, but still using this concept will help in giving quick solutions in a lot of cases. Now we will find the average of an AP series. Let us consider this series 1, 5, 9, 13, 17, 21, 25. Here the common difference d is equal to 4. Following the conventional process, we can find the average like this, adding and dividing by the total number of terms, that is 7, to give the answer 13. But in an aptitude test, there won't be so much of time. So we will use shortcut technique. Here the first term is 1 and the last term is 25. Let's see the shortcut process. So average will be equal to 1 plus 25 by 2, that is equal to 13. So how did I get this? In the last video tutorial, I told you that the sum of all the terms in an AP series, or rather n terms of an AP series, is given by Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l, where a is the first term and l is the last term. So if we divide by the sum by the total number of terms, we get a plus l by 2. This is nothing but average. This is what we have done here. Similarly, if we add the corresponding terms and divide by 2, we will get the same result, that is 13. For example, this is the first term, second term, third term, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh term. Corresponding term of second term is the sixth term. So if we add 5 plus 21 by 2, this gives the same result, 13. Again, the corresponding term of the third term is the fifth term. If we add 17 plus 9 by 2, we get 13. So we can use this shortcut technique to find the average of an AP series. To find the sum, we can just multiply this average, that is 13 into 7 equal to 91. So this will save a lot of time in the test, aptitude test. Let's see another example. We have to find the sum of first 20 terms of an AP series whose fifth and 12th term is given. So the fifth term is 30 and the 12th term is 65. So there's a gap of 7 between the fifth term and the sixth term, as 12 minus 5 is 7. So we can write this as, if we add 7 times the common difference to 30, that is the fifth term, we will reach the 12th term, that is we will get 65. From there we can find out D, that is the common difference is 5. Similarly, we can find the first term. So the fifth term is 30. So if this is the fifth term, and let this be the first term, so the next term will be A plus D. Similarly, the next term will be A plus 2D. So the fifth term will be A plus 4D. That is what I have done here. A plus 4D is equal to the fifth term, that is 30. From there we can get the value of the first term, that is 10. And the last term is given by L is equal to A plus n minus 1, where n is the total number of terms, into the common difference. So the total terms here is 20. So n minus 1 we get 19. 19 into the common difference 5 is 95, which gives the last term as 105. So the sum can be obtained by using the relation n by 2 into A plus L. This is the sum of n terms in an AP. That is what I have used here. 20 is the total number of terms divided into first term, that is 10 plus 105, it is the last term L, by 2. So we can cancel this and get 10. So 115 into 10 we get 1150.